For publishers who wants to make an outrageous amount of money in 2026, this video is for you guys. If you are a struggling publisher, you are not making as much money you are supposed to make in your publishing business, I have just entered my coven of information to draft out the best sales book I have ever read. Now, as someone who is publishing books, you will encounter competitors. And one of the advantage you actually have is your skill of selling. If you don't know how to sell, and if you don't know the offers you can place in your book, you will not sell or outsell your competitors. So I've actually outlined in no particular order the best sales book I have read that have actually helped me in my many years of actually being in business. And one of the books I will recommend to you if you are someone who wants to make good amount of money in 2025, the knowledge that you will get from this book, when writing your books, you have to actually apply the knowledge that you got from this book inside your book to actually sell more books, and even after you've published your book. So if you know this book, you know that this book is like a must read for a lot of marketers and salespeople out there. This is like one of the best books I have ever read on sales and marketing. So if you are a publisher out there who wants to do very well in 2026, I will highly recommend this book for you to read. Now, what this book actually teaches you is how to make better offers, how to make an offer so good that people feel stupid actually saying no to those offers. You will need to sell your books, and the way you present your book, the value proposition you actually add to your book determines if you will sell or not sell. So the information in this particular book will actually help you outsell your competitors. So it should be, in your plan. Just make it as one of your goals to actually get this particular book and read it to actually increase your sales. Now, one of the greatest book I have ever read when it comes to sales and marketing is this particular book by Dan S. Kennedy, the godfather of direct response marketing. Now, if you are a marketer or a salesperson and you've not read this book, I don't know what book you are reading and what information that you are consuming. Like, this is literally one of the best books I have ever read personally when it comes to marketing your products or putting yourself out there. You understand? So as a publisher who wants to make a good amount of money in 2026, I recommend that you go and pick up this book and read this book. It's a must read. So the third book on my list, just like I said, in no particular order, is this book called How to Win Friends and Influence People. This book have actually sold over 100 million copies. You understand? And if there is one book I would recommend you read in this place out of every other book, is this particular book. Because if you don't know how to sell yourself to people, and if you cannot influence people with your values and your belief, it will be very hard for you to succeed in life. So make sure you also get this book. And one book that actually saved my life when I was coming up in business was this particular book, The Magic of Getting What You Want. Now, this is not a sales book, but this book will actually open your mind when it comes to success and when it comes to growth, when it comes to finding your direction in life. This particular book will actually do that for you. Now, the reason why I'm recommending these books for you, I know that one major stuff and one major issue that a lot of publishers are facing is after uploading their book, they find it hard selling. Now, if you don't even know what to include in your book, if you don't know the offers that you should be placing in your book, if you don't know the element that you should be adding to your book to outsell your competitors, it will be hard for you to succeed in the business. You understand? So it is very important that you develop these sales skills. So if you have the time, just make it as a plan to look for a way to actually fix in these books, because you need the information and the knowledge in them for you to sell very well. There are a lot of people that will be watching this video right now and they will be missing the opportunity that will be coming tomorrow. That is the opportunity of being among the 5,000 in 90 days publishing challenge. Now, in my past few videos, I have consistently repeated and promoted the 90 days publishing challenge. Now, what this challenge will actually do for you as a publisher is to show you strategies and ways that you can use to make $5,000 in the next 90 days. Leveraging different platforms. And one of the ways to qualify to join this particular challenge is to get the Zero to Hero Amazon KDP course. Now, this is a course that I can confidently say is the best course in Africa. If in 2026 you are someone who is considering going through the route of making money with book publishing, the best solution that you can get right now is the ZTH Amazon KDP Blueprint. And in these 90 days, I'll be holding you by the hands in the next 90 days. I will show you strategies that will actually work for you so that you can be able to make such amount of money. We'll be going live every single week, and the first live on YouTube tomorrow. I actually want to make that live general, so I want people to actually have a taste of what they are going to be getting in the 90 days challenge. And I'll be sharing with them strategies, templates, and what to do in order for them to achieve these results fast. I'll be telling them ideas on how to set goals and how to achieve these goals. I'll be showing them how to get profitable keyword that can sell fast for them to actually hit their 5K in 90 days goal. I'll be sharing all these strategies, and we'll be going live every single week to discuss and share strategies that will also help you, achieve that goal. Just like I said, the only way to qualify for this is to get the ZTH Amazon KDP Blueprint. And a lot of persons have actually got this particular course. Now, I am only accepting 50 individuals, which I've expanded in my last video to 60 persons. Now, it is almost filled up. So to get the course, all you need to do is to contact me on WhatsApp saying I want to get the course for the 20,000 naira discount price. That is all you need to do. Or if you want to make payment on the product page, you go to the description of this video and click on the first link. There will be a coupon code attached to the link in the description. All you need to do is copy that coupon code. When you get to the website, click on discount, then insert the coupon code. It will automatically give you a 10,000 naira discount. If you are paying with dollars, it will actually give you equivalent to that in dollars. And if you are paying with any currency at all, as a Ghanaian, Cameroonian, Kenyan, it will automatically, give you the equivalent of the price of the course when you apply the coupon code. So if you want to contact me on WhatsApp right now, because the challenge is actually starting tomorrow, and after tomorrow, the course price is going back to the actual price and is even increasing more than that. So send me a DM on WhatsApp to actually get the course. This is your last chance of actually getting access to the best Amazon KDP course in Africa. As always, I am Value Bank, and I will be rooting for you all from afar. God bless you.